deliverance of Biafrans. Ikonso, the freedom fighter, is dead. May your spirit fight on till Biafra is restored. And those of us still alive, we must continue till Biafra is restored. He is a hero. He is a hero. He is better than those who die in kidnapping. He is better than those who die in money rituals. He is better than those who die walking through the desert, drowning in the Mediterranean Sea. They are the real cowards, but Ikonso is brave till death. And his name is recorded in the book of record, in the book of history. Nobody knows those who died in the Mediterranean Sea. They are shying away from their responsibility. They are running away from their duty. But Ikonso stood his ground and fight on for the betterment of his people, for the freedom of his people, for the land of his ancestral land. Now, many people are rejoicing over his death. For those of you rejoicing over his death, BU Igbo Edo Middle Belt, he is fighting for all of you. All of you supposed to come together and join force to get away from evil forest called Nigeria. But you refuse. You say that Nigeria is better. Let's stay together. What have you benefited from Nigeria? Name one thing you have benefited from Nigeria. Nothing. You keep mocking over his death, laughing over his death, rejoicing over his death. Your own death is near, because if Nigerian police did not kill you when on their way taking bribe, hunger or disease will kill you, because there is no good hospital in Nigeria. Instead of you coming together to form greater force to fight for your freedom, you are there laughing at dead man. Nobody is above death. Everybody will go there someday, one day. You cannot run away from death. So he is a great hero, fighting for his motherland, fighting for the betterment of everybody. He lay his life. He is like Jesus, who lay his life for you and me, so that we gain life and gain it abundantly. So if you are rejoicing over his death, then you are bigger than fool. You don't know from your right from your left from your right. One day it will be your turn, because Nigeria is not favoring anybody, both of us, especially those in Edo. You're supposed to join Biafra to fight. The earlier we join together, the faster and the quicker the freedom. And the Biafrans, they are civilized like Western world. Even if we join together and fight and gain Biafra, in future you can say you want to separate and own your own country, to go away and form your own country, and you will be granted referendum. Nobody will shout at you, nobody will kill you. United Kingdom, UK, they are not one country, but they have similar culture. They unite together to form stronger country, so that no enemy will come near them. They will. I haven't seen a country that have different culture and ideology that came together and progress. No way. They can never progress in this life until thy kingdom come. You people, Middle Belt and Edo, you're supposed to join Biafra, because we have similar culture. When we join together, the quicker the freedom, the easier the freedom. In the future, you can say we want to separate, we want to go away, we want our own country, we don't want to belong anymore. Then it will be easy for all of you. Nobody will kill you, nobody will shout at you, nobody will fight you. You will be granted referendum. Now you are claiming that Nigeria is your country. Nigeria is better. Nigeria is the ultimate. But all of you are fleeing out of the country, drowning in the Mediterranean Sea. Those of you drowning in the Mediterranean Sea, you people are cowards. You died miserably. You died shameful death. But somebody fighting stood his ground, fighting for his people, fighting for his people freedom, is a hero. He is brave. He is legend. So you people dying in the process of kidnapping, dying in the process of cultism, dying in process of money ritual, dying that where you are running out of your country in the desert, flying from 10 decades where you are running for immigration. You are a greater coward. So let me clear all of you that rejoicing over his death, all of you are cowards because you are armed robber. You are going to kidnap people. On your way, you are caught and you will be killed. You will die like chicken. Nobody will remember you. But Ikonso is in the book of record, in the book of history. Future will remember him. So let me clear all of you. You guys coward that is resulting over his death. Bye for now.